This video will guide you through 8 steps needed to create a SaaS agreement. Drafting SaaS agreements is a widely requested project on the Contracts Council platform, since they are essential for defining the terms of service for software-as-a-service businesses. So, if you need to create a SaaS agreement for your business, this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We will cover who needs a SaaS agreement, key terms to include in your document, and 8 steps to follow to write your agreement. We've also added a link below with information on lawyer pricing if you want to know the cost of hiring a lawyer. Now let's get started. Who needs a SaaS agreement? SaaS agreements are typically needed by businesses that provide software as a service over the internet. Here are some examples. 1. Software providers. Companies offering cloud-based software solutions require a SaaS agreement to outline the terms of use. 2. Tech startups. Startups providing innovative software solutions as a service need a SaaS agreement to protect their intellectual property and manage user relationships. 3. Subscription services. Businesses that offer software on a subscription basis must have a SaaS agreement to detail the subscription terms. 4. Online platforms. Websites providing software tools and services to users online require a SaaS agreement. And 5. Enterprise solutions. Companies offering business software solutions need a SaaS agreement to define service levels and user responsibilities. Note many other companies may use SaaS agreements outside of these examples. What to include in a SaaS agreement? There are common terms used in SaaS agreements. Here are some common clauses you will find. 1. Services provided. This clause clearly describes the software services being offered. 2. User responsibilities. This outlines what is expected from the users while using the service. 3. Payment terms. This specifies the pricing, payment methods, and billing cycle. 4. Service level agreement. This defines the level of service provided by the vendor, including uptime and support. 5. Data privacy and security. This details how user data will be handled and protected. 6. Intellectual property. This clause protects the software provider's intellectual property rights. 7. Termination. This sets the rules for terminating the agreement and the conditions under which termination can occur. And 8. Dispute resolution. This details the procedure for resolving any disputes between the business and its users. 8 steps to writing a SaaS agreement. Here is a list of 8 steps you can follow to draft your SaaS agreement. 1. Review the commonly used clauses discussed earlier in this video, or find a template online to use as a reference. Then you want to determine what clauses you want to include in your SaaS agreement. 2. Identify the key information you want to include. This may include details about your services, payment terms, and user responsibilities. 3. When writing a legal agreement, it is critical to use clear and concise language that all parties understand. Avoid using complex legal language or technical terms. 4. Once you've written your clauses, organize them so that they are logical. For example, you likely want to have your services provided clause before your payment terms clause. 5. Be sure to incorporate any applicable laws and regulations that govern your industry or business activities. Note this may require doing some research. 6. If you are unsure about anything, consider using Contracts Council's platform to seek advice from an experienced lawyer. 7. Once you've drafted your clauses, review and revise them to make the language clearer and confirm you have included everything needed. And 8. Create a standalone document you can have your customers sign or accept online. Writing a SaaS agreement is a vital step in protecting your business and defining clear terms for your users. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Council or visit contractscouncil.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.